lies and threats were made towards security and teenagers. They're the issue state officials are battling within Kentucky's juvenile justice system.
Today, public safety leaders talked about concerns in front of state lawmakers and plans to alleviate them. WHAS 11's Isaiah Kim-Martinez covered the discussion at the Capitol in Frankfort. Isaiah, they say staffing remains at the real heart of this issue.
Well, Doug Shea, you're exactly right there. Juvenile justice officials say they're at the mercy of the labor market, struggling to both hire and retain, but between 3 different salary raises and plans to separate teenagers based on offenses, they're hoping to see improvements in 2023.
Everybody get on the ground now!
We've shown you the violence breaking out inside youth detention centers across the state, in Linden and 2 hours south in Adair County.
An increasing number of the detained population have gang affiliations and continue their violent behavior inside the detention facility.
On Thursday, Department of Juvenile Justice Commissioner Vicki Reed told state lawmakers they're working to overhaul an outdated system, saying it compromises the safety of both workers and teens themselves.
It's fair to say their biggest concern is recruiting and retaining an adequate staff.
Secretary of the Justice and Public Safety Cabinet, Carrie Harvey, says they've bumped pay to around $23 an hour and have hired recruiters to address the shortage. In the meantime, they hope Governor Beshear's latest plan to separate teenage boys based on offense levels at different facilities will improve security. We asked him about it in a one-on-one interview this week.
For both the safety of the staff and the juveniles themselves, we have to create different classifications of these facilities. It means that we can provide services to lower level offenders without disruption and also create a higher security environment to ensure there are fewer disruptions from those charged with more violent crimes.
The governor admits this could cause transportation challenges, but says the move is necessary to protect everyone inside these facilities. And Governor Beshear hopes to have these changes implemented by next month. Meanwhile, the Justice and Public Safety Cabinet noted nearly 50% of teenage boys in custody are for serious crimes. And they say many more teens are dealing with serious mental health issues now compared to years past. Doug.
Isaiah, thank you. A juvenile justice reform bill will be heard again in the upcoming legislative session starting in January. It will include a proposal to fund the reopening of the youth detention center in Louisville, allowing teenagers to be closer to their families.